And Honorable Norbert Mao has been a great DJ expressing his talent in a party. In a viral video, Mao is seen mixing the music and also playing those old school, the South African Gina. Mao has been proven as one of the most happiest person in the cabinet and someone who likes partying, dancing is seen in several other occasions where Mao eats some kind of dance trucks that mesmerizes or makes people happy. These and more are still to come on Acholi Pro Evo TV.